Hello guys, good afternoon. I have just returned from work, so it was a pretty good day today. A friend made a funny thing, so it was pretty good. It was pretty fun today the work. So I just arrived home and maybe later I'm going to the hot tubs with my friends. So maybe we will be there, all of us, all the crew. And after we go there, I might be training, so going to be a long day. So I will let you know if we are going. So yeah, that's the plan. Can see the weather is very good, very sunny, very nice. It's a good day of summer. So I'm heading now with to the hot tubs, as I told you before, to meet some friends, have fun there, chill out for like 1 hour. So I just going to be there chilling out with them for a moment, and then I will be going to training. So I will see you later. We have we have finished our day in the hot tubs. It was a very relaxing time. I really enjoyed it. I was with all my friends and everything, so it was a very nice time there. So right now I'm heading to my training and start doing some exercises. So it's going to be really good. Yes guys, I finished my training. A pretty good training. A lot of running, football, so very good. Now I'm just going back to home, eat a little bit because I'm very hungry, so ate a little bit of dinner and go to sleep because I'm very tired. So it was a very good day. I'm proud of it. So live your life and see you in the next video. Peace.